So for this example, we are going to show how to convert from base 10 to base 3. And we're going to convert the number 324 from base 10 into a number with base 3. So the easiest way I find to do this is to say that 324 equals your base times a certain number plus your remainder. In this case, 3 times 108 and after we multiply 3 times 108, it equals 324, so the remainder is 0. And what you do at this point is you take the 108, bring it down there. So now we have 108 equals our base, 3, times something plus a remainder. So now we find out that if we divide 108 by 3, it equals 36. And 3 times 36 is 108, so the remainder again is 0. So we continue this pattern, bring the 36 down there. So now 36 equals your base of 3 times something plus your remainder of something. So 3 times 36 is 12. 36 divided by 3 is 12 with a 0 remainder. So we just continue doing this. 12 equals your base 3 times something plus a remainder. Well, 3 times 4 equals 12 plus a 0 remainder. Bring that 4 down. So bring that 4 down. And now we get 4 equals 3 times something plus a remainder. Well, 3 times 1 is 3, and then plus your remainder of 1. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Perfect. If we bring that 1 back down again, 1 equals 3 times 0. And that's how we know we're going to be at the end of our steps, because we have reached 0. But anyways, 3 times 0 is 0, plus your remainder of 1. And now you've converted 324 base 10 into a number in base 3. But it doesn't look like it. So if we draw this arrow up to the top, it means that your numbers have to go from bottom to top. Or 324 in base 10 will equal 110,000 in base 3.